Hello everybody, my name is Peter and welcome back to the channel Mike on the Bike, the channel where we put a microphone on a motorcycle. And today we got the 2020 Ducati Hypermotard 950 and it's been a blast riding it. On board I think it sounds really great, but I'm gonna let you hear it. It's the one with the standard muffler. So let's put a mic on it and let you hear the sound of this motorcycle. So this was the sound video for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. I really think it sounds awesome. Although I'm quite sure when you fit an Aero or an Mazzioni or whatever extra exhaust on the back, it will even sound a lot better. For me personally, it's a difficult bike to ride. It's not in my comfort zone. It's something you have to get used to or at least have some skills for. And I still lack some of those skills. But it's an awesome bike and it sounds like almost every Ducati awesome. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you like to see more videos and stay informed, just subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.